we study about Huygens wave theory of light. Huygens wave theory means light is in the form of wave. Light is in the form of wave. In previous lecture, we study about Newton's corpuscular theory. Huygens wave theory predicted that some assumptions, it also known as postulates. तुम्हाला यावर क्वेश्चन विचारला तो राइट द assumptions of Huygens wave theory of light or write the postulates of Huygens wave theory. Now, Huygens wave theory predicted that light energy from a source in travel in the form of waves. Light is in the form of waves. Light energy from a source is travel in the form of waves. Second assumptions of Huygens wave theory for propagation of light through the luminiferous ether medium is present. Huygens suggested that some luminiferous ether medium is present when for the propagation of light through the luminiferous ether medium. But for the propagation of light is also in vacuum. Hence, that postulate or assumptions is the drawback of that theory. Some luminiferous ether medium actually not present in the medium. Hence, that theory was the drawback of Huygens wave theory. Hypothetical luminiferous ether medium is present, but actually luminiferous ether medium is not present in the medium when light propagated in the medium. Third assumption, different colors of light are due to different wavelengths of light. These assumptions is the merit of that Huygens wave theory. And fourth assumption, velocity of light in a rarer medium. Velocity of light in a rarer medium is greater than that of the velocity of light in denser medium. These are the assumptions of Huygens wave theory. These assumptions for the propagation of light through luminiferous ether medium, hypothetical ether medium is present in a medium, but that was not present in the medium. Therefore, this is the drawback of or demerits of that theory. But in Newton's corpuscular theory stated that the velocity of light in denser medium is greater than that of the rarer medium. But here in Huygens wave theory, velocity of light in rarer medium is greater than that of denser medium. These are the merits of Huygens wave theory. And different colors of light are due to different wavelength of light. These are merits and these are the drawbacks of that theory. For propagation of light through the luminiferous hypothetical ether medium is present in the medium. Merits and demerits that theory could explain. First, reflection, refraction, interference, polarization, diffraction. These phenomena can prove by hypothetical Huygens wave theory. This Huygens wave theory explains the terms reflection, refraction, interference, but Huygens wave theory could not explain partial reflection and photoelectric effect. Means the Huygens wave theory explain the reflection, refraction, interference, diffraction, polarization of light. That phenomenon can be explained by using Huygens wave theory. But Crompton effect, photoelectric effect, this phenomenon could not explain the Huygens wave theory. Therefore, postulates or assumptions of Huygens wave theory predicted that assumptions light energy from a source in travel is in the form of waves but not in corpuscular form, is in travel in the wave form. Second postulate, for propagation of light through the luminiferous ether medium is present, but actually that medium is not present, hence it is a drawback of Huygens wave theory. Third assumption, different colors of light are due to different wavelength of light. And fourth assumption, velocity of light in a rarer medium is greater than that of the denser medium. These are the assumptions of Huygens wave theory. And drawbacks of that theory, for propagation of light through the luminiferous ether medium, hypothetical ether medium is not present in the medium. These are the drawbacks of Huygens wave theory, and it could not explain photoelectric effect, Compton effect. These effects are not explained, and partial reflection, refraction could not explain. Hence, postulates or assumptions of Huygens wave theory predicted that light is in the form of wave nature.